I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Tesla Model S front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely raised and supported, then remove both front wheels. This provides crucial access. Next, disconnect the 12-volt battery located in the front to prevent any electrical shorts during the process. Have your Torx bit set, a 10mm socket, and a plastic trim removal tool ready for the upcoming steps. Now let's tackle the wheel wells and undercarriage. In each front wheel well, you'll find about 5 Torx screws securing the liner. Remove these, then gently pull back the liner to reveal additional clips and screws. Next, move to the underside of the vehicle. Here, you'll need to remove approximately 8 10mm bolts that hold the bumper to the chassis. Keep track of all fasteners. Moving to the front, open the front and remove the large plastic trim cover situated directly above the grille. This will expose 4 10mm bolts. Unscrew these to release the top section of the bumper. Next, pay close attention to the areas just below the headlights. There are several clips here that need to be carefully pried open with your plastic trim removal tool to avoid damage. With all fasteners removed, the bumper is now ready to be detached. Gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from one side and working your way around. As you pull, you'll need to disconnect several electrical connectors for components like parking sensors and fog lights. It's best to have a second person assist you in carefully lowering the bumper to the ground, then store it safely to prevent any scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.